Tired of boring body wash? Discover Everyman Jack's C Minerals plus Citron Refill Solution. The quest for the perfect shower experience. Is your body wash falling flat, leaving you with nothing but a fleeting scent and dry skin? Many men settle for products that claim a lot but deliver little. The endless cycle of harsh chemicals and uninspired fragrances can leave you uninspired and underwhelmed. Enter Everyman Jack's C Minerals plus Citron Body Wash Refill Starter Kit. With naturally derived ingredients, a bold coastal scent, and sustainable packaging, this kit promises a shower experience that's refreshing, eco-friendly, and truly satisfying. The power of nature in every drop. The problem with most body washes is the reliance on synthetic chemicals that strip your skin of moisture. Everyman Jack solves this with a formula powered by nature. Coconut-derived surfactants provide a gentle, effective cleanse, while glycerin hydrates and protects your skin. This winning combination ensures a deep clean without irritation, making it ideal for all skin types. Plus, the rich, clean-lathering formula ensures every shower feels indulgent. It's not just a body wash, it's a skincare upgrade that's tough on grime and kind to your skin. Breaking the plastic waste cycle. Plastic waste is piling up, and traditional body wash bottles are part of the problem. Everyman Jack's refill pouches use up to 80% less plastic compared to standard bottles, offering a sustainable solution without sacrificing convenience. The 36-ounce refill pouch not only helps reduce your carbon footprint but also saves money in the long run. With Everyman Jack, you can feel good knowing you're contributing to a healthier planet while keeping your grooming routine top-notch. Smell fresh, feel confident. A fresh scent can change your entire day, but many body washes miss the mark. Everyman Jack's C Minerals plus Citron blend offers a unique combination of crisp ocean air, vibrant citron, and a hint of pink pepper spice. This invigorating scent lingers just enough to leave you feeling confident, without being overpowering. Whether you're starting your day or heading out for the night, this fragrance makes an impression. Customers rave about the long-lasting aroma. It's like bottling up a coastal breeze and bringing it into your shower. The smart choice for modern men. Everyman Jack doesn't just clean, it redefines your shower experience. Proudly made in the USA with naturally derived, cruelty-free ingredients, this body wash is designed for men who demand more from their grooming products. The durable bottle, paired with the eco-conscious refill system, ensures you're always stocked up while saving money and reducing waste. Trusted by millions, this product delivers unbeatable quality, effectiveness, and value. Don't just settle for clean, level up with Everyman Jack's C Minerals plus Citron Body Wash and make every shower a moment to savor.